Manifest Money Dauchsy. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Manifest Money Dauchsy. Hitting the target for how to manifest wealth now as the miracle power to live your life with overall freedom, away from the grind of the typical way many people sacrifice by staying in careers or jobs they just don't like. This self-loathing, at best we may say, is something that is not part of a millionaire blueprint. Today I will discuss a few or the most effective ways to manifest money now by loving what you do. Yes, no more living a life of self-loathsomeness, as I once did for 25 years as a financial advisor. Change the way you think about money. The only path for becoming an effective magnet to manifesting money now is to begin to analyze how you feel and believe about financial freedom. The majority of people everywhere get unfortunate and really tense and annoyed about giving part of their wallet away. Be open to many possibilities in which money can flow. Manifesting money now is all about psychological freedom. I mean freedom in your thinking, freedom in your ability to see the wealth all around you. You can merely manifest money to the level that you would allow yourself to see abundance all around you. Release it sometimes for future reward. When you learn to free up your grip on it and learn to give some away, you will begin the process to manifest money now. Whatever you give in your self-created world comes back to you. It's the miracle of reflecting outwardly your inner wealth and abundance. The Course in Miracles states, miracles are a kind of exchange. Like all expressions of love. Quote. That concept holds true not only for financial freedom but anything. When you give love honestly, you likewise get love back. Financial success streams in this exact same form, so offer a little with love and get more back. The only road to take for becoming a powerful magnet to manifest money now is to start to examine how you think and feel about attracting money. To attract money and begin manifesting abundance is all about psychological freedom. I mean the freedom in your thinking, flexibility in your ability to see the wealth all around you and in your life in this world. You can begin creating wealth now to the extent that you would enable yourself to see abundance all around you. When you understand why you must free up your grip on it and see your way to give some away, you manifest a millionaire mindset more. The Course in Miracles teaches that miracles are healing because they supply a lack. They are performed by those who temporarily have more for those who temporarily have less. Let's look at financial freedom being a millionaire state of mind. Assessing our standing in life brings us to a point where we need to go within and prepare our goals and objectives. For self-made millionaires, they have crossed out the objective of monetary freedom in their lives long prior to other people realizing any such matter as a millionaire blueprint, so to speak. I mean the significance involved here. While others are starting to catch up on the pattern of manifesting abundance and attracting wealth, financial flexibility is just too abstract a concept without the right psychological shift. Called the millionaire's mindset, it includes a lot of different methods to one's lifestyle while learning financial methods through looking for chances. By turning goals into truth and acting properly, monetary freedom seems a much closer concept than in the past. I'm saying that individuals do not recognize that the philosophy behind monetary freedom relies on our mindset to money. In order to achieve financial freedom, we must explain our top priorities, which consist of how we look at attracting money. Caring for wealth attraction. The first fundamental perspective of a millionaire's mindset is thinking that people are interested and ought to be interested in abundance and prosperity. Why not? Prosperity and abundance is a vehicle to help you live a life of purpose and passion, we may say, your true free will to make your life work and to make our system go round and round. Highly effective people who appear to be happy about what they do with their money, making the world a better place, seem to rise upward on the financial freedom scale. It's how successful people grow, and people like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Walt Disney, Henry Ford, Ben Franklin, just a few of my favorites, and so many others today, in the past, and yet to arrive, are proof of this. For some, money represents their income that pays their living costs comfortably, and that's okay too. Remember, there is no set amount in your bank account that determines success according to the law of manifestation. Ethics and interest and money need to not be removed from each other. The reality is, cash is a car not just to make a living, however likewise to make a quality life, perhaps a quality car that represents your inner longing. Discovering how to value money offers us a perspective that makes us responsible with our financial resources. Do you have money at work for you? A millionaire's state of mind constantly presumes that to attract money means prosperity working for you and not the other way around. Being a servant for cash and its equivalents can just be the same problem for greedy individuals and industrious individuals. The important key, however, is to find methods to rise over it and make cash work for you. I always like to add that don't be shy to search the web for more helpful material and manifesting abundance in your life. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.